Top 5 Best Sofa Bed. Top 1. Serta Rane Collection Sofa Bed. Comfort. Serta, the first name in comfort, makes Serta comfortable, sensibly priced, elegant living area seating. The contemporary, convertible Rane sofa provides premium comfort and style. Beauty. This futuristic, convertible sofa has a sleek silhouette with high-density foam, a button tufted seat and back, and modern chrome legs. This beautiful and versatile sofa is easy to assemble with the tools included. Care instructions: to spot clean, use a dry cloth, soap, and water, apply pressure using circular motions. You'll enjoy the Rane for years, and it's an ideal compact couch for a small space. Convertible, the back easily folds down to lounge for casual moments. When it's time to sleep, fully recline it to a Serta comfortable twin bed. It also has Serta's finger guard protection to avoid injury. Top 2. ZINUS Benton Sofa Couch / Grid Tufted Cushions. Polyester fabric with foam and fiber cushions. Dimensions: 76.43 x 30.71 x 33.9 in weight, 91.7 pounds. Timeless comfort, made to stand out and feel cozy with its sophisticated grid tufting, subtly rounded arms and dense yet supportive foam seating. The Benton refines a room with ease. Durable design: a naturally strong frame is wrapped in supportive foam cushioning and a durable, polyester fabric, seats a maximum weight capacity of 750 pounds, cushions are secured to the frame and are not detachable. Tool-free assembly: all parts and instructions are smartly packed into one compact box for simple assembly that takes less than 20 minutes. Easy care: affixed cushions are easily cleaned with a clean, damp cloth and mild detergent. Top 3. DHP Aiden Futon Frame. Contemporary low-seating design in a sturdy metal frame construction. Quickly converts from sofa to a full-size bed. Retainer clips to prevent mattress from sliding. Metal mesh frame provides optimal support for the futon mattress. Available in multiple finishes. It assembles quickly and ships in one easy-to-handle box. Futon sofa dimensions: 76.5 L x 30 W x 29 H. Sleeping dimensions: 71.5 L x 52 W x 10.5 H. Weight limit: 600 pounds. Top 4. Amazon brand, Rivet Revolve Modern Upholstered Sofa Couch. This modern sofa features simple lines and square armrests atop tall tapered legs, giving it a minimalist feel that looks great with most decor styles. Hardwood frame, solid beechwood legs and durable polyester upholstery stand up to wear and tear. Assemble in 15 minutes or less, just attach the legs that come zippered inside the product. Wipe clean with a soft, dry cloth. Top 5. Novogratz Brittany Sofa Futon. Stylish linen upholstery, wipes clean easily. Ribbed tufted cushioned back with slanted oak-colored wooden legs. Sturdy wood frame construction that is stable and durable. Comfortable polyester and foam filling. Sleeper dimensions: inches 70.5 L x 43.5 W x 16 H.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe.